Welcome to Taiji's Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Triceratops. So like I said in the last video, dinosaurs is a really popular thing among boys in Japan. And somehow for me, Triceratops was my favorite dinosaurs as growing up. And I think I had like a lot of the Triceratops toys and such. And this model I really like because it's not that difficult, but at the same time it really portrays the signature of the Triceratops, these three horns, really well. So I really hope you give this a try yourself as well. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make the Triceratops. So I'm going to fold in half like this. And open, and also diagonally as well. Open, and also half in the other direction. And open. Then we're going to bring the corner to the center. Repeat that all 4 times. And then one more time, all corners to the center. And then I'm going to open one step, and then I'm going to take these 2 sheets, and I'm going to fold to the side, and it kind of naturally folds down to this shape. I'm going to do it again. There's 2 flaps. I'm going to open to the side like this, and it just kind of naturally folds to this shape like this. And then we have these 4 flaps. 2 of them I'm going to fold inward like this, and then I'm going to flip to the other side on the same side on this side. And now I'm going to connect these 2 points, folding along this line right here. And also on the other side, connecting these 2 points, just like that. And then flip to the other side, I'm going to fold in half like this. This is going to be the back leg, so I'm going to fold, connecting this point and this point right here, and fold it backward, like, just like that. And flip to the other side, I'm going to do the same thing, connecting this point and this point right here, just like that. And then we're going to make the back leg like this. It's just preference thing how much you want to fold it, just like this. And then we're going to reverse the fold in the backward like this. And then you have the thigh and the feet. And also on the other side, you fold matching on the other side like this, and also reverse the fold backward like this. Then you have the hind leg finished. Then I'm going to bring this line to this line right here, folding right here, like this. And then from this point, I'm going to fold perpendicular to this line right here. So just like this. So make the fold strong. And I'm going to open both folds. And then I'm going to open from the bottom like this. And then along this fold line, I'm going to do the reverse outside fold like this. And then with this line, and then do the reverse outside fold again as well. Just like that. And now I'm going to bring this line to this line right here, so like this. And I'm going to open and fold this inward like this, just like that. And flip the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to bring this line to this line like this, and open. I'm going to reverse this fold and put it inward like this, just like that. And then I'm going to fold from this point perpendicular to this line, like this, just like that. And then I'm going to bring this line to this line, like this, and open. And we'll bring this line to this line, downward like this, and open. I'm going to bring these 2 lines together, folding in the middle, like this. And as I do that, it kind of naturally folds down like this. And then you have one of the horns. I'm going to flip to the side and do exactly the same thing. So this flap, I'm going to fold perpendicular to this line from this point, like that. Then I'm going to bring this line to this line, like this, and open, and this line to this line, like this, and open. I'm going to fold this in half like this. As I do that, they kind of come together like this and fold naturally like that. And then you have the 2 horns of the Triceratops. And let's make the front horn, and you do that by folding like this, just about like this, so that these are just about parallel to each other. And then open, and then this fold, I'm going to do the reverse outside fold. So from the bottom, I'm going to flip it like this, and fold like this. And then with that, I have the 3 horns of the signature of the Triceratops. So, and then the last step, I'm going to hold this part right here. And about this part of the back side, bring it downward, just like this. And you have the face kind of facing forward, like this. Then with that, I have the Triceratops finished. So as you saw, making this Triceratops is not that difficult. Like I said, it's definitely not easy. You really want to try other models before trying this. But if you want to try a little bit more of the challenging origamis, I think this is a really great place to start. You may have to try a couple times to get the really shape of it, but with my instruction, I think you'd definitely be able to get this. So I hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed what you saw, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any feedbacks or question or requests, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.